5:30 in the morning.
Yeah, beach pup. Why are your nails so sharp? Get off of me. Ah, it's a shark.
Bailey girl gets her sand.
Girl.
We're going to the beach. It's beach day.
Beach pup.
It's our first time on sand.
Come on. Can you do the steps? Do we want her to learn stairs yet?
I don't know. She's got to get down someday. Good girl. Good girl.
Wow, you're so brave. Ooh, there's a crab. You see him?
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I was about to step on him.
Yeah.
And she was going to eat him.
Where'd he go? I lost him. Oh.
He's right here.
Bailey, you don't even know. That's a crab. You have no idea.
The little crabby guy.
Hey, girl at the beach.
Ah, she's by the beach. She's at the beach. Lindsay's at the beach finally. It's Lindsay's first trip to the beach. Hey. Hi, you.
Bailey, girl at the beach. Hi! Hi, sweet. Hi, sweetie. Good Bailey.
It's so good. Yeah, look at all that sand that just fell like right into the water.
Oh my gosh, I just poured a new thing of water. All the sand from your little beard went right in there. She met a giant dog. He was a golden retriever and Great Pyrenees mix.
Definitely great.
He was big.
Definitely.
Some of his paw prints are around here somewhere. It's that, just kidding. That's a human foot. And she is having fun digging. She likes to bury her little head in there. And I'm just waiting for her to get hit by this wave. She's gonna be so close. You taking yourself on a walk? All right, cool, cool, cool. You letting her get wet?
Huh?
Are you letting her get wet?
Yeah, I'll dry her off.
Okay.
Bailey! You went right in the water! Do you have any interest in coming in here? You don't have to. But if you did, it'd be super cool. She's so brave. That's probably as deep as you want to go.
Where'd you go? Where's your bottom half?
Oh,
She's so small.
yeah, once that fur goes away. Good girl. Good girl.
Where'd you go?
You want to come in here with Daddy?
Oh.
She's clopping like a horse.
God. You're funny, girl. Look at you all wet. Look at you. Look at you all wet.
I would say Bailey's first day, huge success.
Yes.
Bailey's day at the beach. So good.
Good job. You gonna say hi? You can say hi. You've made so many friends today.
Good girl.
Good job, Bailey. Look at her itsy bitsy puppy paw prints.
Oh my gosh.
Do you have a fun morning? You did so good. We're so proud of you. You did awesome. A little beach babe. Hi. And now that your hair is wet around your face, we can see your eyes.
Oh, that's so true.
You just look a little silly when you're wet.
You ready to go home, Bailey?
Those scraggle feets.
If you'd like to see more Bailey, like, comment, and subscribe below. Ding that bell, and make sure to follow her on Instagram, because she's going to be a famous pup.
She's like, why are we doing any of this? What is this?
We're doing it for all the internet points.
What a good girl.
Good girl.
Bailey's day at the beach.
Bailey went to the beach and she is out like a light.
We've been in the car for like 2 minutes.
Yeah, this like just
She didn't
started.
make it very long at all.
No.
In 2 minutes.
She's such a good girl though. And look how sweet she is. She's too cute. I can't handle it. Chloe can't handle her right now. We got dolphins. It's Bailey's first dolphins.
She has no idea. Where'd they go?
They're friends, not food.
Where'd they go? I don't know if you guys can see that. Like just barely. Boop. Chilling.
She's chilling.
Chewing a bone. Good girl. The hole begins. Bailey! Why is she so funny?
No, she's your daughter.
She's hysterical, like, oh my gosh. Why are you so funny? So silly. Also, current sun situation, and Tony just spotted more dolphins. Probably won't come up on camera, and I think I lost them. I think they went farther out again. So pretty though.
The sun rays come through the clouds.
And then this Yahoo. She's like, yes. That was literally like 90 seconds.
As long as you've been recording.
Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. The infrastructure is crumbling. Nobody will play with me.
Are you really? Are there some between us and the water? Oh yeah, I see one.
Giant.
Let's go.
Good girl.
Ready for that one.
Back to digging. Kid loves the hole. Man. Where are you going?
To China.
I think so. Silly girl. You've sort of made friends.
You've met dogs.
I think the Rhodesian Ridgeback puppy was as close as we got to playing.
Yeah.
They just both didn't quite know how to play. I think the Ridgeback knew more and was like, I need to sniff your butt first.
Yeah, that's
but Bailey didn't get that. Like, she was,
oh. She's not a dog at all, she's a mole.
She's a freaking cat. She just curls right, oh my God. Bailey, quit breaking my heart. You are the cutest thing. How did we get so lucky? Okay, now we sit, are you gonna just stay right there and chill?
Stay in your hole.
Good girl.
Good girl. She's so sad looking.
She's chilling. She loves it. She's in her zone.
Hello.
Just photographing this sweet little pup. Try not to get pinched by crabs.
The challenge is real.
Huh?
But the challenge is real.
It is. Like, I literally felt very surrounded. I still do. Got a little spooked.
Spoopy.
She slept for probably like 30, 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And then woke up, walked around a little bit, said hi to one of the dogs that came over. And now she's digging again. Probably gonna lay back down.
Huh?
Probably gonna lay back down. Here she goes.
Oh, Bailey.
Sweet girl. You're the best puppy.
She what?
She's the best.
Yeah.
#1 pup. Aww. She has met so many dogs today. All the pups are here.
But I think she's just new to this.
She wants to play with everybody, but
Yeah, it's been hit or miss.
they've been old dogs who don't want to play.
Yeah.
But she keeps trying. Oh man. Oh man. She's fired up. She just met this women named Echo. And he played with her, but he didn't want to play chase. She just wants a dog to chase her.
Yeah.
Like, she would be so happy right now if someone would chase her. She's not sure about the surfboard. She's like, what are they carrying? What is that? They carry their sticks around too. Just like you. But you ate your stick.
It's Lindsay and Bailey hanging on the beach now. Good Baileys. Good girl. Did you enjoy the beach? Did you have fun today?
Yeah, I had a lot of fun.
I was asking her.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. I care what you say too.
I'm her interpreter.
Ah, you speak puppy?
I speak big.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think she had a blast. Like, we got to dig a big hole, sleep in it,
Met a bunch of dogs.
met a bunch of dogs.
Meeting
met a bunch
people.
of
She's doing alright.
Ran in the sea for a little while.
But she's over that.
Then we get home. She's gonna have her first bath.
It's bath time, Bailey. You don't even know about that life.
Nope.
Woo!
Wow. She is out. Dead and buried. Got a little sunrise yoga happening behind us. A little puppy photo shoot happening next to us. And there's some guys surfing down that way. She just totally missed that dog. She's gonna see her now and be like, wait, what? I didn't know we could play. Whoa. You're covered now.
You gonna get me?
Uh-oh. Good girl. That's swimming. You did swimming. Good girl. She's so small. Oh my goodness. Where'd my dog go? Where'd you go? Oh, silly girl. Silly girl. You're so funny. You're so funny. Good job.
Really just keep your face close.
Yeah. Just going back. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, so sand. So sandy and wet. Good girl. She wants out of there. Are you all done? What do you think? All done? Hi, you.
Yeah, jump right in my arms.
What a little princess. What a little princess. Good girl.
Getting the salt out my wound.
She ran back to the chairs. She's like, why aren't you guys coming? I think she doesn't want to be in the sand and water anymore, but since we're in here, she's like, okay, I'll do it. Hi, watch out.
Oh, got you.
I think if one of us holds her, she'll probably be happier. Good girl.
Yeah.
Good girl. #1 pup. Yeah. Best puppy on the beach.
Oh, good girl. Gentle. Oh, she bit my beard.
I know. I think it gets too heavy when it's wet. She's like, let's go.
Stop fighting me. I know you're trying to save me. I get it. I'm out of the water.
The hole has been filled. What'd you say, Tom?
Oh, I said we had to restart the construction because you didn't get the proper zoning permits.
Oh no.
So we had to bury your hole.
Resubmit and come back next weekend, kid.
Government bureaucrats, am I right?
Oh man. Darn the man and stuff like that. Cool.